What's going on, guys? Fuller here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and today we are jumping in and talking about the coolest pickup, Jeep, convertible, family car, whatever you want to call it, to come to market recently. That's right, if you haven't figured it out, we're diving in to figure out what's the hype with the Jeep Gladiator. Jeep's first rendition of the pickup came way back in 1986 with the release of the Jeep Comanche. Designated as the MJ chassis, the MJ was a variant of the Jeep Cherokee that was designed to compete with the Japanese mini trucks made by Nissan and Mazda and others in that market. First outfitted with a 7-foot bed option, Jeep also began offering a 6-foot option in 1987. The Comanche was produced until 2001 when Jeep opted to discontinue the model for more popular sellers. From then on, Jeep opted out of the pickup game entirely in favor of some more commonplace models like the Wrangler and Cherokee variants. That was until 2018 when Jeep debuted the new Gladiator at the Los Angeles Auto Show. Picking up where the Comanche left off, the Gladiator combines the legendary Jeep Wrangler chassis with a 5-foot cargo box and some seriously awesome off-road tech. You can think of it like the mullet of the Jeep world, business in the front and party in the back.
It's not a hairstyle, it's a lifestyle.
The 2020 Gladiator arrived on dealership lots with a 3.6-liter V6 that produces 285 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque. One neat thing is that technically it comes standard with a good old 6-speed manual transmission with the option to jump up to an 8-speed automatic for a little bit extra. 0 to 60 times are just over 7 seconds, which makes the Gladiator just a bit slower than some of the other trucks on the market, like the Colorado ZR2 or the Ford Ranger. Now, if towing is more your style, you're going to want to make sure that you spring for the Max towing package, which increases towing capacity to 7,650 pounds and allows you to carry a modest 1,600 pounds in the cargo space. When it comes to physical size, the Gladiator is 31 inches longer than a standard Wrangler, which is pretty significant and not necessarily in a good way when it comes to off-roading because it also measures about 20 inches longer in wheelbase. The good news is that this allows the Gladiator to have a larger passenger space for hauling the guys around, and it improves the ride and handling on the pavement. Don't be fooled, however, the Gladiator is not your typical pavement princess. Jeep outfits the Gladiator with skid plates as far as the eye can see, rock-crawling axle ratios, and plenty of ground clearance. All of this adds up to be the perfect recipe to tackle just about any terrain that you can throw at it. What makes these Gladiators fun for us is the amount of tire clearance in the wheel wells. From the factory, the Rubicon trim can be outfitted with 33-inch Falcon Wildpeak MTs, which is pretty awesome, but pair the Gladiator with a simple leveling kit and for under $200, you're ready to fit some 17x9s and 35s, and you'll drastically improve the look of the Gladiator. Being so much longer than a standard Wrangler, these half-truck, half-Jeep things are just begging for a larger wheel and tire setup to balance that look. Now, whether you're the guy that wants some methods and a bunch of rubber or some Archons and a show build, you can pull off quite a few different looks. If you're the big If you're the big lift kit type of guy or gal, more and more companies are offering bigger and bigger lift kits all the time as these trucks gain popularity. Rough Country offers the biggest lift kit available at the time that we filmed this at 6 inches, and that kit even includes a new front drive shaft. They say you can fit up to 37-inch tires, but I know you can put 37s on a 4.5-inch lift too. So if you do some trimming, I say you could definitely pull off even bigger sizes. The Gladiator is definitely marketed as a vehicle that can do it all, with base trim starting around $33 grand, but a fully loaded Rubicon is nearly double that at $62,000. So, you tell us, does the Gladiator live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you're trying to stuff some big old wheels and tires on your Gladiator, or any other truck for that matter, you can check us out at CustomOffsets.com. Peace.